So there's a balloon at Castilla Oliveira going up. Everyone sets off balloons daily in my neighborhood now. There's a Cessna out here revving behind T4191 area. And then here comes that Cessna back. So he's now slightly ascended again. And now he's coming kind of down and slightly at a diagonal, crossing over onto Castilla Street, which is the street below mine, closer to Geronimo Road. So it seems like they now might be saying that it's a civilian. That's not the police anymore. So now I descend, 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 descend. Haha. Haha.